Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video on the 5th and 6th coin in the Provident Metals 12 Labors of Hercules series. And the first coin, the 5th coin in the series is the Augean Stables. And I don't know, it's just not. To me, this is like the worst coin so far in the series. I mean, it's just a picture of a building. It's not even all that big. I don't know. And, well, this reflects the Mintages numbers, which, what was it? The silver mintage was 6,399, and the copper was 6,707. But with the silver mintage, that's like I believe, if I remember correctly, that's the lowest mintage so far. So it's just it's not only my opinion that this isn't a very good looking coin, but it seems like it's everyone else's as well. But so this is the labor of Hercules, had to clean out a stable or whatever. But I mean I guess compared to what he had to do, I guess they didn't have much to go on. I mean, so, and just like all the other coins, it's just going to be Hercules on the back. So, and then the 6th coin in the series is the, what is it, Stymphalian Birds, and I got 10 of these. And I mean, it's better than the 5th coin, the Stables. I mean, a couple of weird looking birds. I don't know, flamingos. But I like how they put the bones at the bottom, like the first coin in the series, the Nemean lion. But it's just, they have all this space that they could do something with, and they don't. I don't know, I guess it just comes back to the prospector round and it being very detailed from Provident. I just wish overall for the series that they could have, I don't know, added more detail. But and then the mintages for the Stymphalian Birds is 6,701 for the silver and 5,128 for the copper. So I'll put these two together side by side. So, and currently the 7th coin of the series, the bull or whatever it is, it's being sold right now, and I just ordered it, so it'll be coming to me soon. But at least with the 6th coin of the series, it's halfway done. But another 20 ounces of silver for me. But one thing I do like is the numerical numbering. I don't know, I wish they would have done that with the, what is it, the Zombuk series. I thought that would have been cool. But alright, just a quick video of the Provident Metals series updates, since it took me forever to get this done. But alright, thank you for watching.